Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to check the health of our SSD or the HDD. So go to the Google Chrome and we will use this tool, hard disk Sentinel, and this is the trusted tool. Wikipedia has also written about this. This has founded in 2005, and you will see the layout like this: performance, health, and this will scan your hard drive as well as the SSD. So let me download this. How to download this? You can directly search the hard disk Sentinel, or you can search like I have searched SSD health check software and go to this option, hard disk Sentinel. Open that and you will give this link and click on download, and you will see here the professional version or the other version. Choose first option, hard disk Sentinel professional setup. Click on download. It's going to download now, and it will be downloaded in a zip. So I have some shortage of internet. My normal internet is not working today, and I have connected with my phone internet, so I don't have that much data. As you can see, its software seems to be big, but once you click on this option or download and download the setup, you will see the layout like this. You can check this. Well, let me cancel this. You can see it's taking some time as well as the data. So once you open that, you can see the check health is 100% okay, performance is excellent, and you can see the power on time is 620 days. For example, you will see this in a different, and you will see the estimated remaining lifetime. It means that how much your SSD or the HDD is going to perform for you, and total start of stop count you will see here. You can repeat the test here, and this is the trusted and the very good hard drive or the SSD checker. So hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech. And also you can check through the command line. Let me check the command. Also you can try the command, but I have shown you the best way. Hard disk Sentinel, run as administrator, and type here chkdsk and hit enter, and this will scan the bad sectors as well as the other corruption if you have any. Let it run, and this will go to 5 stages and will give you the result. Okay, so this is how you can check the hard disk or the SSD status health on your Windows 10 or 11 operating system. So hope this video useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.